hell is going on here?
Sir, have you seen any strange thing around you?
Cut it and stop playing games with me. What are you doing at this time of the night with this girl?
You mean Ekuya?
Shove it, I'm not interested in the name. I demand an explanation immediately.
Well, as you can see now, she is my fiancée. Ekuya is my fiancée. And I am here for a visit.
You mad? How can you say a thing like that? Knowing how hard I've been trying to make this girl my second wife. And you do this to me?
Mr. Bob, I am very, very, very sorry you have lost her. Because she now belongs to me.
You twat! You traitor! If I'd known this was your plan, I'd knock down your teeth long before you knew it. Do you understand?
Look at this lunatic! Leave my friend, leave me! I can leave him!
Now you lay aside!
Ouch!
I am very serious. From the very first time I saw you, I knew I was in love.
I hope this night gay people are trying to play on me. I've told you that I've had series of problems concerning the same issue with your boss. And I don't want to create any confusion between the two of you, especially for the fact that he's your boss.
I am an independent man. Bob is not my boss. I'm only executing a contract for him, and that is all.
Well, say so. I've heard you. But as you can see, I'm very busy. I have customers to attend to. But I'll think about it though.
I'll be expecting your reply, eh? But a very good one. Alright.
She is in love with the American boy. She wants no other but the American boy. From a local girl to a city girl. From a nobody to somebody. She is in love.
That Charles guy, I think he's very serious.
Charles,
Yeah, Charles.
is he not a friend to Bob?
I asked the same question, but he said he was only executing a job for him, that's all.
Is he not married?
Mama, you know me now. I'll never do that. That was the same issue I had with Bob. How can I marry a man who already has a wife? I'll never do that, even if he has everything in this world. I'll never do that.
Okay, just give him a chance. Maybe he is real, huh? You are not a small girl, so you can take care of yourself now.
Mama, I still have a long way to go, so you have to teach me.
Hey, Ekuya, I will teach you. Don't worry.
I'm tired.
Hi.
welcome to this house. Right? You can always come here anytime you wish.
Thank you.
You know what? I really just can't imagine what harm you did to my son. Because it's like I'm trying to encourage him. But anytime I say one, he says two. If I take it here, he takes it there, and...
You know, Mommy, I told you to be patient. I told you. See what the good Lord I serve has done for me. He's giving me a very beautiful wife right at my doorsteps.
Oh, thank you, God. Oh, what a beautiful thing. My daughter, oh, come on, please. Drink for me. You are in your mother-in-law's house. You are very welcome, okay?
Thank you.
And when you're finished drinking, we are going to have a one-on-one talk. At least I need to know who your parents are, where you come from, and those little details, okay? You're welcome. Feel comfortable, right? Oh, God.
At long last, the battle has ended.
Who said so?
Mama, I said you should have been there to see how this woman was treating me. My daughter eats this. My daughter drinks this. If I stand, she asked me to sit. She was just serving me the whole time. Mom, I have never been treated like a queen in my life.
How do you look at them? I mean, are they well to do?
Mama, well-to-do is an understatement. I said they are very, very, very rich. And on top of it, they are very, very nice. It's so nice, Mama, you can't even imagine.
Thank God you have finally found your soulmate. Now that you have found him, do all within your power to grab him. He's a handsome guy and he looks more responsible than that Bob man.
Hey, Mama! Weren't you the same person who was forcing me to marry Bob? Weren't you the same person? Look at you, look at you.
Hey, now that you have found your own man, stick to him.
Of course, Mama, what are you talking about? I will stick to him. I'm going to be here.
I'm happy for you.
I'm even happy for myself.
Charles will soon be back, okay?
No, Mom, please, I insist. It's my responsibility. Please don't deny me of this.
Oh, Queer, my daughter. I realize you pushed too hard. Thank you so much. Alright. So, my daughter, how are you doing?
Very fine, thank you. How about you?
Doing good.
hell is going on here?
Sir, have you seen any strange thing around you?
Cut it and stop playing games with me. What are you doing at this time of the night with this girl?
You mean Ekuya?
Shelve it, I'm not interested in the name. I demand an explanation immediately.
Well, as you can see now, she is my fiancée. Ekuya is my fiancée. And I am here for a visit.
You mad? How can you say a thing like that? Knowing how hard I've been trying to make this girl my second wife. And you do this to me?
Mr. Bob,
I am very, very, very sorry you have lost her. Because she now belongs to me. You twat! You traitor! If I'd known this was your plan, I'd knock down your teeth long before you knew it. Do you understand?
Look at this lunatic! Leave my friend, leave him! I can leave him!
Now you lay aside!
Ouch! Leave him! Leave him! Charles, let's go. Leave this guy. He's a man. You know, you'd always be a mad person. Look at... Let's go.
I don't want to set eyes on you again. And you better not set foot on my land.
She's a woman. She doesn't know what she wants, but she's so beautiful, ooh, and so desirable. She's the kind of woman that every man desires.
Charles, is this the house?
Yes. This is the place. It belongs to you.
Wow! This is more than a miracle.
And you know what? I rented this place only 2 years. Before the year falls, by then I would have furnished with my new house, where you two will move in and live with me. And you know, moreover, the owner of this house owns a place in town. I have also rented that place as a restaurant for you too. So henceforth, you are not going back to that chopper.
Thank you, my son.
I hope you manage it well because I know he's going to help you.
Oh, God,
And the most of it all, I'm doing this because of the love I have for you. So, you love the place.
So beautiful, ooh, and so desirable. She's the kind of woman that every man desires. Strong attraction, that's what she inspires.
Excuse me, princess. Can I please have a word with you?
A word with me. For what?
Baby, looking at his cane, so illuminating. And the back still. Has anyone ever told you how precious and beautiful you're looking?
Go ahead.
I only want to let you know that I've been your secret admirer for quite a long time now. So I'll find it more expedient if you become my lover. You know what? Look at me. I'm just a wealthy person. I own a lot of factories, buildings, offices. What of you? And as a beautiful girl like you with a nice ass and all that, can take good care of this kid. I just want to take good care of you.
God. What kind of temptation is this? Huh? What kind of temptation is this? Look at this thing. Look at this thing, oh, telling me he's in love with me. Have you taken a good look at yourself? Look. Take a very good look. Huh? Do I look like I'm a girl of your class? Huh? Do I look like one of these area girls?
But I was just trying.
Oh, shut up! Next time, you better have some respect. Never approach me again, okay? Why don't you go up to these tomato or orange sellers and tell them you're in love with them? Not me, idiot.
You think like a queen. What have you? Jeje girl. What's up? I'm from where?
See that girl?
She's a woman.
She's just a con artist.
She
Doesn't have respect for the brotherhood at all. Imagine that she insulted me the other day. I should go and look for a tomato or an orange seller. A homie, the capital OT.
You know something? That was shit. I don't think a girl can even diss me like, you know, the girl dressed you all that time. Come on.
What? Are you a supernatural being?
Whatever. It's not a matter of being supernatural or whatever you so call it. It's all about the lyrics. The way you're gonna job her with your music. That's all. A girl like that girl needs a guy like me to convince her with my words. Come on.
So you think you have those lyrics, right? Then more grace to your elders.
Why sometimes you act as if you don't know me? You know your guy. Have you still forgotten my name? Mr. Lewis. Have you? Come on, remember yourself.
I think we should give him another chance. I think he can lay her down for us.
You know something? Just don't worry. I'm gonna do it for you, I bet you. I'm gonna do it for you and for the brother. Give me a few days. I'm gonna lay this girl on my bed. You're gonna see this girl flat on my bed. I'm gonna call you. Telephone you.
This boy is just building castles in the air.
Ja.
to somebody. She's a woman.
Hi.
She doesn't know what she wants.
Yes, what is it?
You know something? Just relax, and I hope there's no harm in talking shit.
Look, if you have anything better to say, you better start saying it and stop asking unnecessary questions.
You know something?
She's the
By the way, I'm called Kwame, and my friends used to call me Mr. Lewis.
And how does that concern you?
The part is that you are very beautiful. I think there's a time for a man to find somebody whom he's gonna date. A man to find his own fresh. See the whole thing. And I think you are the most beautiful girl in the vicinity.
So?
I just want you to be my friend.
Look, did I tell you I needed your friendship? Huh? Look, do I look like I'm a girl of your class? Huh? You have no respect, right?
But, you know, I think we can make, you know, things work. I mean, we could both work things out. That's all. You know, you can manage me.
You know, I don't even know why I'm standing here talking to an idiot like you.
Mr. Lyrics, the dreamer of the ages.
My brother. What did they happen? What did they happen? What did they happen? Come. My brother.
She's a woman. She doesn't know what she wants, but she's so beautiful, ooh, and so desirable. She's the kind of woman that every man desires. Strong attraction, that's what she inspires. But she's in love. She is in love with the American boy. She wants no other but the American boy. She is in love with the American boy. She's a woman. She doesn't know what she wants, but she's so beautiful, ooh, and so desirable. She's the kind of woman.
That's not what you do. There you go.
That is none of your business. I am cooking for my father.
Oh, wait. I know you did cook for your father. You put me for the list of my men.
Add you to the list? Have you given me any money for me to cook for you?
If you put me on the list, how the old boy go know? You don't go fit no. Asana, you then we go school. You know so we go school together. You want me to die? You want me to die? Today I went to work, the 4 months didn't give me money. I went, can you not give me money? I said, give me more, I beg you.
If the job is not good for you, find another. Besides, I told you I am cooking for my father. Okay.
Asana, you know say I like you. I like your butter. But it's I'm there.
Okay, go. When it's ready, I'll bring it to you in your room. Go.
Okay, thank you.
Go.
How much meat you will give me?
Go!
Like 2.
Go! Go now!
That's it. That's it there for me. See you. I come here and get Guinness soft. Yeah. My zongo area who go look you, spread you. For waiting.
All thanks and glory to me.
Oh, do you know? You get a body.
Yeah, I'm the man. Yeah, I'm the man. Don't worry.
You get a body.
Don't worry.
You see how to do it, right? I don't look at my legs. You put your legs down. Come on, you.
You choose your own destiny. Look, yo. She's in my area. She's a hard nut.
Yeah, no, I see her.
She's the most beautiful and the most expensive girl in town. But you know something? There's a problem about her. I mean, she don't feel like being friends to us. She just don't feel like, talking to anybody.
Oh, is it? It means you guys, they use the wrong method. You don't organize things well. For me, it's like, you forget the Cupid. You know that baby angel with the arrow, no? Put the heart inside. If I win the heart, that's the only way out.
I see this for you. You don't know what they talk about here. You don't know the girl you're talking about here. You can't even win the time, let alone the heart.
Waiting. What is so special about this girl? Waiting they in body, we know the another woman talk. Waiting. You guys, what this brotherhood wants, this brotherhood should get. Foul or fair. I don't know.
That's right.
For me, this girl, be paying anything.
She's a woman. She doesn't know what she wants, but she's so beautiful, ooh, and so desirable. She's the kind of woman that every man desires. Strong attraction, that's what she inspires. But she's in love. She is in love with the American boy. She wants no other but the American boy. She is in love with the American boy. She wants no other.